Hello guys, so welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bars right here on Odatejish TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button. And also don't forget to also drop your comment in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones.
Nyami Adom, you're different, bro. You're a different type of guy. Nah, there's work and then there's Kuami Eugene work. You know what I mean?
No. You've been working.
Small.
You've been working. You're doing amazing.
We're trying, man. We're trying.
I see what you're doing online all the time, and I go like, whoa. I know in some couple of years to come, someone's gonna be out there on Hollywood and stuff, and yeah, because you're doing good, man.
By God's grace, my brother. By God's grace. So when are you coming over here for shows, man? We need you in the States for shows, bro.
No, it's coronavirus everywhere, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's coronavirus, so yeah.
So how's things in Ghana? Did December go nicely as usual, or was it lockdown, or?
You know how we do it in Ghana, man. Regardless, people are gonna find a way to.
Regardless, I know Eric is not gonna shut down. He's not gonna shut down.
Oh, he tried. He kind of shut it down for some time, but yeah, it was back in business during December. Yeah, I mean,
okay.
You know how we do it here in Ghana. People will try to still have fun. Yeah.
Nah, man, come on.
You just have to let them have fun.
Of course.
So this was open.
Of course.
How have you been, man?
It's all a blessing. It's all a blessing, my brother. You know, America is different. Los Angeles is different. It's not Ghana. I miss Ghana a lot, man. I miss Ghana a lot. I'm not gonna lie to you. I miss Ghana a lot.
I know, right?
There's no such thing as when you.
Come down?
I'm looking to come down for December. Cause I missed this one. I'm looking to come down for December or January. I have some big plans.
It's like 2 years already, right?
Yeah, 2 years, brother. It's too long. But I want to come down. When I come down, I'm gonna have something. Yeah, when I come down, I'm gonna make sure there's some things in the pipeline that I'll be working on. So I will keep you informed. Yeah.
I've been seeing your skits and seeing your workout. You're doing amazing. You're doing.
So how is everything with the music and everything? Because I see you've been non-stop, bro.
We working, man. It's a little bit slow because you're not playing shows like before. Because you can gather more than 25 people and stuff. So yeah, it's been a bit hard.
You know who you need to do a link up. You need to do a link up. It's this guy. His name is Innoss from Congo. You know Innoss'B. He's the biggest act in. No. He's an artist. Innoss. He's the biggest act in Congo right now. So he's basically Kuami Eugene in Congo. That's who he is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So you guys definitely need to link up.
Let me check him out. What's his name?
His name is Innoss. On Innous. Innoss'B. Can you see it on Innous? If you get it on YouTube.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do.
Hold on, did I even write it right? Hold on. Maybe I'm not even giving you the proper.
Yeah, I don't think that's the right thing you gave.
Hold on. Let me make sure I give you the right information. I don't think I gave it the proper way. Hold on. Innoss. Is it Innoss? No, I didn't do it. Innoss. Oh. Innoss.
You don't find it?
Oh, yeah. I got it. So it's Innoss
Okay.
INN.
Okay, I think I got him.
Yeah, it's 20. Do you see the top one? Orlandi.
Oh yeah, 20 million views in 6 months.
Yeah.
That's massive.
Yeah, bro.
That's impressive, man.
Yeah. So you guys definitely should link up, man, and do a thing, man, because you guys are the new generation. You know what I mean?
Oh, I think I've heard his music before.
Yeah.
He's got one song with Diamond Platinums.
There you go, man. You guys are dope. The next man up.
He's from
But
Congo, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna link up.
Yeah, man. Come on.
That's nice.
That's what we need to do. We need to lead the way. Show the path.
Perfect, man. Perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. But you're doing good though.
Hey, by God's
Keep
grace,
doing
bro.
what you do. You're our own Black Panther, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Blessings,
You're
bro.
our own
Appreciate
Michael
that.
B. Jordan. You're on. I mean, you're so special to me. So I pray for you all the time. It's my prayer that you get up there to the Hollywood and stuff, so you can open more doors for. I mean,
I do the same for you,
your
my
people,
brother.
man.
It's all
You're doing
love.
good.
It's all love and respect. You know this, man. You know this.
I
We
think
have
all
to
of a
do this
sudden
for
you have
each
a
other.
lot of people on your live right now. So real quick, guys, if you don't know this guy, go check out on him. He's amazing. He's doing good, and he's actually a brother. Go. I don't want to talk too much. Just go on his page. Go follow him. Go check out what he's doing. Then you thank me later. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My brother,
Okay,
man.
we're gonna talk
Okay,
later.
brother.
I hope you need
We
to
link
come
up.
to Ghana soon, man.
I will.
Later, brother.
I will. Trust me. Okay, brother.
You have to.
My people right there, man. I have so much love and respect for that guy, man. So much love and respect. So who we got here? I got some questions. We follow him. Yeah, I appreciate that, man. I appreciate the love. You see, this is what we're supposed to do as a people. You know what I mean? We need to support each other, need to show love. We need to do these things, man. I have some more live requests. I have a live request here. Let's see. Let's see, I got some live requests. Let me see. Wagwan. Oh, the internet. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. I hear you clearly. Do you hear me?
Yeah, man.
Great news. I just
How
watched that.
you doing?